Today in this video we are going to study about EMF and terminal potential difference. Although both have the same units, both have the same meaning, but still there is a lot of difference between these two quantities. Everyone has seen such type of pencil cell, and in every such cell there is a voltage given over there. For example, 1.5 volt is given for this Duracell. The voltage label indicates its EMF. Now, what is the meaning of EMF? EMF stands for electromotive force. So, the work done by a source in driving 1 coulomb of charge around a complete circuit is called electromotive force, as it is a potential only, and potential is work divided by charge. So, joule per coulomb. So 1.5 volt means 1.5 joule of energy of work is produced to whole circuit when 1 coulomb of charge flows. This is the meaning of this 1.5 volt, and it is its EMF. So basically EMF is for entire circuit. As you can see this diagram, 1.5 volt, this is for whole circuit. When no current flows through it, then in that case reading of voltmeter is called EMF. But if you connect appliance or any resistance over there and then the circuit is closed, in that case the voltmeter will show a reading which is lesser than the EMF. For example, in this case it becomes 1.2 volt. This 1.2 volt is called terminal potential difference, whereas 1.5 was its EMF. So EMF is a reading of voltmeter in open circuit, whereas terminal potential difference is the reading of voltmeter in closed circuit. Now the question is, what is the reason behind this potential drop? The reason behind this potential drop is that every cell has some of its internal resistance. It has some resistance. Now when the circuit is closed, the charge flows from one end towards the another end. As the cell has its own resistance, has some own internal resistance, to overcome that internal resistance a work has to be done, and that work is lost in form of heat, or I can say some energy is lost during this process. This energy loss causes the potential drop, and it becomes from 1.5 volt to 1.2 volt. So the reason behind the drop in potential difference is that it is caused by internal resistance of the cell. One important note that has to be remembered is that potential difference will always be less than EMF of the cell.